डियर स्टूडेंट, एजुकेशन एंड पोइट्री आज फिर एक नए ऐसे इल्लामा इकबाल के साथ हाजिर हैं। टॉपिक अल्लामा इकबाल। डॉक्टर अल्लामा मुहम्मद इकबाल इज आवर नेशनल पोएट। He was born in Sialkot. He got education from Sialkot. Then he went to Lahore for higher education. After that, he went to London for law education. He completed his PhD from Germany. He came back India as a barrister. He started law practice. He joined All India Muslim League. He gave us the idea of separate state for Muslim of India. On the lines of his idea, in 1940, All India Muslim League demanded for Pakistan. Muslims of India moved a movement for a separate homeland, and Pakistan came into being. Allama Iqbal was a true Muslim. He wrote many books of poetry and prose. His poems and verses are learnt everywhere. His poetry makes us true nationalists. He remained alive till 21st April 1938. May his soul rest in peace.